Hi, I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour, and I am talking today to the teachers out there, the people who teach others how to use smartphones. And when you either record videos or you do a live presentation over the computer, you need to be able to show a phone screen on the computer screen. Now, there are ways to just share the screen from the phone to the computer using things like Team Viewer or connecting your phone onto a Zoom call and doing screen sharing. But then you don't see the fingers. I think it's really important, especially for newbies, to see what your fingers are doing on the phone. So for that, we've always used something called a document camera. If you've watched our Geeks on Tour videos and you've seen videos of a phone screen being demonstrated, it's because we have this document camera. This is a camera that points down. It's connected to the computer via a USB, and it acts as a separate camera to the computer. So it is seeing all the finger movements. But this is a $180 device. If you have an old phone laying around, it can do the same thing. So if your phone is a camera, number one, you need to be able to have it pointing down. And number two, you need to be able to have the camera viewing on the computer. So here's how we do it now. This is just a stand. Can you see that? It's a stand that holds the phone. So this is my old iPhone. This is my new iPhone. The old iPhone, then, I don't really need anymore. I can use it like a document camera. So this stand holds it in place. Now I need to put it onto the camera to show whatever is underneath it. But just the regular camera won't work because it has all that other stuff around it, you know, the flash and a piece of software called iVCam. So iVCam is both an app on the phone, and notice that it pops right up and shows what is underneath it. And you need to realize that the lens on this phone, the camera lens, is like right there. So, whoops. So you got to get that positioned right. And then on the computer, there is also a companion software called iVCam. And you run that. Now, how is the computer going to be seeing what's on the phone? There's two ways. What I have right now is just using the Wi-Fi. The phone is connected to our household Wi-Fi. The computer is connected to our household Wi-Fi. The phone is running iVCam. The computer is running iVCam. So now, whatever I do on the phone can be seen on the computer, and I can be recording what's on the computer as I teach how to use the phone. You can also, if you don't have a good enough Wi-Fi, you can plug it in to USB. So you can have a cable connection to the computer. I prefer the Wi-Fi for two reasons. Number one, you're not always getting power to your phone by connecting the USB to your computer. So if I don't connect to the computer, I can keep the phone powered by having it plugged in just to a power connector. Secondly, if I'm on the Wi-Fi, I can take this phone out of the holder, walk around, and be a roving reporter with with the phone as a camera. Another reason that I really like this over and above, I mean, not only can you use a phone instead of a $180 document camera, but I think the phone is better. Watch this. Can you zoom in and say, if I want to show something really in detail, I can zoom in on the phone and show magnified detail of what is happening on the phone. So that's how you can use an old phone as a fancy document camera for teaching smartphones or anything that you would want to demonstrate in real life.